Chapters 13 and 14 in Module 7 talk about control. There are many factors a manager needs in order to monitor and analyze to ensure that the plans they have in place are actually working. If not, you as a manager need to reassess and make changes. All the resources that a manager can use can have quality and control systems in place to review productivity and its effectiveness. Your to-do list for Module 7 include reading Chapter 13 and 14 in the textbook, as well as accessing the videos, which are at the bottom of your introduction, your discussion questions, and your final paper. Please note that since this is the final week of class, your discussion posts and your final paper are due Friday by 11:59 p.m. So you lose 2 days this week in order to complete all of your work. So please make sure it's done in that amount of time. If you have any questions, remember, I'm always here to answer and help you get through. I hope you enjoyed this class. I hope you took something from it. And hopefully I have you as a student further down the road. Happy end of semester. Enjoy your summer. Unless you have a class next term, maybe I'll see you then.